Hi, this is Shayla, the VP of Student Success here at USMLE SART. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use our rank order list tool. This is a great tool that helps you choose the programs that are most important to you based on your preferences and your rankings. You can review the list with a mentor. Platinum students will get to review with their physician mentor, and all other students, we can assign you a panelist as needed. So follow along on this video and let us know if you have any issues or questions. So first, we're going to go to residencymatch.usmlesart.com. You'll need to log in. And then you'll go to rank order list here at the top. Make sure to read these instructions for use. These are really helpful. They go through line by line, everything that we're going to cover here in this video that you don't want to forget. So make sure you read those. Once we click Let's Start, you will actually see a list of ROL factors. So this is a list of about 17 to 20 factors that were pre-populated from previous students. So you are going to rank each of these, and the total weightage needs to add up to 100. So you can see on the right, it is totaling as you go. So if I were to change things, that total is going to change, and then you can change your rankings based on what's important to you. You are welcome to add more factors to the bottom if you feel like there's something that's missing, and you can put 0 if any of the factors are not important to you. Make sure that you do put a reason for your weightage so that you can remember your thinking and your mentor can remember and understand what you're thinking. On the right is the average weight that students in the past have given this factor, so that'll kind of help you to get started. So once we have added all the factors that are important to us and ranked them, it equals 100. Click Save and Continue. Then you will see all the programs that you have interviewed at will automatically populate here. If any of the programs are missing, it means that you either haven't added them into the interview insights or you haven't given your interview experience there yet. So I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. But let's say that all of your programs are listed here. So you're going to go ahead and click Submit Score, and it'll ask you to fill in all this information. So the size of the hospital, the affiliation, all of these things. You can click Submit and Proceed. If you don't have the information, you can click Skip if information is unavailable, but do enter it if you know it. Then you'll be able to rank the programs. So you're going to rank them on each of the factors that you just rated, and it's going to be from 0 to 10. These don't have to add up to 100 or anything. They're all ranked individually. So for this particular program that you're looking at, how good are they at the cost of living or the in-house fellowship, those types of things. If it fills your needs, maybe it's an 8, 9, or 10. If it doesn't fill your needs, maybe a 0, 1, or 2, things like that. So you'll do each of the factors here on how good that program is. Make sure you put your reason for the score so that we can understand your thinking, you can understand what things are important, and then you'll click Submit Score. And then you'll do that for each of the programs. Once that is complete, you can click on Get Rank Ordered List, and this will show you all of your programs in order. So you can see I have 1 through 4 here in order with the highest ranking. So it does take into consideration your overall factors and then each of the 0 through 10 rankings that you gave. If you feel like anything needs changed, you can always change it. Go back to your list, update the score. You can adjust these rankings based on how you feel or maybe what you've learned about the program. And you can also see and edit your overall factors as well. So you can adjust these factors if anything becomes more or less important to you. So you can adjust those. If you click on Get Summary at the bottom, this will just show you all of the programs across the top and all of the factors along the side, and then each of the weightage and the scores that you ranked. So you can kind of see a big picture with the overall score at the bottom and where that came from. Okay, so that's how to use the rank order tool. If any of your interviews are not listed here, you'll have to go to Interviews, go to See Interviews. These are all the interviews that you have listed. So you saw that I had 4 that were ranked, but I have some others here. It means that I have not entered my interview experience yet. So I'll need to go here to enter info, and I'll need to put in my experience on how the interview went. Click Submit. and then it'll automatically pull it to the rank order list tool and you can rank it there. If the interview does not appear here on the list, then you can go to the top here and click add interviews. You'll put how many you're going to add, the specialty, select your program. If the interview was in the past, just put today's date for the interview date, and then that way you can enter the information. If the interview is in the future, you can put today's date, so that way it'll let you put the information in. Otherwise, you can put the past dates. If the interview is in the future, and you haven't ranked it, then you won't, and you haven't put your experience yet, then you won't be able to rank the program until after the interview. So you'll click continue, and now that program will appear on your list. You'll enter your information, and then you'll be able to go back to the rank order list. It'll appear here, and you'll be able to update the score. So that is how to use and update our rank order list tool. As always, feel free to reach out to our team with any issues or questions.